Okay, short update. 40 Ford is in primer. Turned out pretty well. Looks okay. I didn't have a whole lot of little hairs or things to deal with. On the left, that big can, my weapon of choice is the TranStar 2-in-1 gray primer. TranStar's out of Michigan, and you get it at auto jobbers, auto paint stores. At least I can get it here in Canada, in Windsor. That's my base coat of primer. Then I'll sand on that, and after I do my sanding, I'll finish off with the to me a light gray surface primer, and that body has been wet sanded to 2000. That's where we are right now on the priming job, and paint to follow in a couple of days. Okay, got some paint down today. Fenders are semi-gloss black, just your basic Duplicolor semi-gloss black. The body is gold. It's a VHT engine metallic. It was a neat color. It was called Gold Flake. The flake hasn't come up yet because it's not been clear coated, but the gold is the base coat so far. It'll get clear coated later on. And the wheels, I'm not sure if you can tell from there, but they're a light gray. They are, to me, a TS81 Royal Light Gray. Royal Light Gray. That'll get... Now those wheels and tires and the trim rings and the caps are from the Revell 29A Roadster. They fit really well in there. I like that look, so that's what's going to go on. That's what's going to go on there. So far, I'm just going to let her sit, let the paint all just set up and do its thing, and done some engine assemblies and whatnot so far, and some chassis assemblies. I'm a shelf builder, so it's going to be a lot of it's going to be just semi-gloss black underneath. I'm not going to worry about it too much. Still haven't decided on the motor yet. I told you people I had a bunch of replicas and miniatures, speed parts and stuff. Well, I can't find that box of speed parts, so I don't know what to tell you. It may just get the stock motor that's sitting in there. If you can see way over here to the right, we've got some of the dark red from the 3940 sedan. I don't know what I'm going to do yet for motor. I got a few things laying around, and the steering wheel that came with the 3940 sedan, they give you a stock for unless that was, oh geez, I might even, actually those are from the Revell 29A Roadster. They give you a 4-spoke wheel, and they give you a banjo style wheel. So I think I'll be putting the banjo style wheel in it. But again, not sure about motivation yet, so we'll see. But that's the progress on the 40 Ford build.